guys, welcome back to my channel. It is LOC Method time. I'm showing you the deets, guys. But before we get into that, I want you to go ahead and like and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. And of course, I want you to go ahead and turn on that notification button so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So yeah, I'm doing the LOC Method. I'm showing you how I moisturize and keep my type 4 hair moisturized throughout the week. So I'm starting out with clean washed hair that I've already detangled during the wash process, and I've squeezed my hair with a t-shirt, getting some of that moisture out, and I've already parted in sections. So the LOC Method basically starts for liquid, oil, and cream, and I'll be starting out with the liquid, which is my DIY Aloe Vera Moisturizing Spray. And I have a video on this. I'll definitely put that in the description below or somewhere in the channel somewhere. But I love this DIY aloe mixture. I just wish I would have started using it earlier. You know, aloe has the benefits. It keeps my hair totally moisturized. It acts as a conditioner, and it leaves my hair smooth and shiny. So I love this. So basically, I'm just spraying that all over my hair and just raking that product down all the way and focusing a lot of it on my ends. You'll notice that I do that with every process, that I focus on my ends. And then with each part or with each section, I separate it again in another section, creating maybe 8 sections in my hair. And I just make sure that I saturate each section of my hair, making sure that it's evenly distributed all the way throughout. And then next I'll be following up with my DIY oil mixture. This oil mixture is basically equal amounts of coconut oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. This mixture works wonders for my hair. And let me know if you guys want me to do a video on this. It's really easy to do. I'm no scientist, but I know what works for me. And this combination of oil just is the best for me. So as you can see, I'm focusing some of that oil definitely on my ends, because again, I want to make sure that my ends are being treated and I baby them, because this is the oldest part of the hair. So I'm following up with the cream, which is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Shea Moisture. I love this stuff. It smells so yummy, and I always do or apply a generous amount. This stuff is amazing. Like I stated before with the aloe, I wish I would have discovered this product a long time ago. I just love it. And as you can see, I'm just adding a lot, if you will, to the ends of the hair, making sure that part of my hair is definitely saturated with the oil, with the cream, as well as the liquid. So I'm just working that through. And guys, I've been doing the LOC Method throughout my natural hair journey. It just works for me. It helps me in maintaining the moisture with my hair. I know some hair types can't necessarily take the weighing of the products, but my hair is really heavy and dense, so it actually aids in keeping my hair from getting too dry too soon. So basically, I'm just doing that whole process again. I'm spraying that DIY aloe mix all over my hair, separating my hair in the additional sections, from the sections I've already have, and I'm spraying a generous amount of the liquid. And yeah, guys, just putting that oil all over again. And another thing that I do with the oil is that I do add some of the oil to my scalp, and I do massage it throughout the process. So that's definitely key with the oil, and definitely massaging the scalp actually generates blood flow, and it helps the hair grow. So I've been doing this process, like I said, for a while now. Even throughout the summer months, my hair requires the moisture. So I don't mind doing it through my wash routine. I follow this up with my wash routine, and then I follow up with my styling. So yeah, guys, these are the results. These are the juicy curls. And like I said, the LOC method works magic for my type hair, and it maintains moisture almost maybe a week, 2 weeks if I'm having a lazy hair week. Almost 2 weeks. So yeah, do you use the LOC method? I think most naturals do, but I know for my type 4 hair, it is amazing. It works magic. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. After I've done the LOC method, I just basically pin my hair up, kind of let it air dry, and I go on about my day and figure out which style I'm gonna style my hair. So thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope this provided you with some insight on how I moisturize and maintain moisture in my type 4 hair. And don't forget to like. And until next time, good people, come on back with me. All right, guys. Ciao.